Assalamu alaikum, empower yourself के viewers. Today we are discussing the accounting from a user perspective. We know that there are a lot of the users of accounting. They are managers, they are creditors, they are labor unions, they are government legislation agencies, and also other. But we think that the accounting is a difficult profession, and it is the technique that only the professional use. But today I will tell you that this assumption is not right. Accounting is a uh, accounting is a subject or a study which is being used by everyone. We daily use accounting information, like we measure and communicate accounting events, whether you are a manager, you are a business, you are ordinary shopkeeper, you are a individual, you are just getting touch with the accounting in your daily day-to-day life. Like you receive money, you use your money, and you work you work with the concept of spending your money. That is also the part of the accounting, and you are generating the user perspective. You are spending the money, you are making the investment, you are starting a business. These all will get deal uh, with the accounting. So here we are at the first, that the everyone use accounting information daily. If I could make you understand, you are the user of accounting. I am also the user of accounting. Every person which deals with the money, which receive the money, which spend the money, which invest them into the money, or which deals some kind of the economic events, is a user of accounting. So uh, everyone use accounting information daily. Hope so this point has been clear. So we turn on to the next, measure and communicate accounting events. So here we are talking about that the information that accounting generates, which tends you to measure and communicate accounting events nature. Like you will understand what is the nature of activities which you are doing. You are getting the loan, you are paying the bills, you are generating the income, or you have to pay to your suppliers, you have to pay to your you have to invest, you are not making profit, you are getting into the loss. These all kind of the events which tell you that what kind of the nature of the activities you are dealing with. So you have to you have to measure that, you have to measure that which what is the nature of the accounting activities you are dealing with, and how you will communicate accounting events, how you will make these events the basic of your decision making. Like if you are not getting the profit, so what you will do to earn more profit, what kind of the techniques you will do. If you are not have the enough funds for your investment, what kind of the accounting activities you will create. If you are just wanting to get the loan to invest, or you will get some kind of the partnerships, or all the things that you involve, uh, that you will get involved to create profit. That will be the nature of the accounting activities. And also the assumptions, you have to follow the assumptions and measurement techniques. You will follow the assumptions and measurement techniques, that what is the problematic areas and why you are not getting the profit and what kind of the decision you will make. Here you can see that relevant information for decision making. Like you have to get you have to get the relevant information from this all the activities. You will measure, you will communicate the accounting events. You will check the nature of the activities, like it is loanable funds, or you are getting the funds from a bank. Credit, whether is it credit, it is debit. So you just have to check the nature of the activities. Then you will focus on to the assumptions, that what kind of the assumptions are related to these nature of the activities. And then you will use the measurement techniques. Measurement techniques will tell you that either you are into the loss, or you are into the profit. What kind of the decision you have to make. So the relevant information for decision making you will get. And here I will tell you the whole process of the accounting. Yeah, this is the accounting process heading. And then accounting process generate the accounting information. You will check the nature of the activities. You will check you will go on to the assumptions. You will go on to the measurement techniques. You will measure that what kind of the activities you are dealing with. Then the resultant of these process will be into the accounting information. Accounting information will generate the relevant information, and accounting information will tell you that what kind of the nature and what kind of the scenario you are having into these activities you are dealing with. Like either you are into the profit, you are into the loss, you have to make investment, you have to get loan, or etc. The options you have to deal with to generate, or to make stable, or to get enough funds for your business, or you are not earning, or these different kind of the options can be. So the decision these information will tend you to lead for the decision making. And here is the decision maker who is the a main objective for this information. Like this information will get flow to the decision making. And then after the decision you have made, then the economic activities will be done. You will take loan, you are making investment. Here was the information, just information about what you have to do. Here is the final result you have made to create the fund, or to make the stability, or like different activities. You have given the loan, you have spent the money, all the things. You have received the money. If you have received the money, here will be the resultant of the economic activities. And this will also included into the accounting process. So thank you. If you like the video, and if you have any kind of the suggestion, you can comment below. Thanks. Keep watching. Empower yourself.